Could you be kinder to you? I think that's something we could all reflect on and maybe cultivate a bit more into our lives. We may have been conditioned into being a little aggressive with ourselves, judging, being critical, and lifestyle habits which do more harm than actual good. So let's do something kind with ourselves right now, and let's do this 10-minute kindness meditation. So hopefully you're sitting in a comfortable position which is kind to your body. Maybe you're sitting up straight and you're allowing your shoulders and neck to relax. If they feel a little tense, maybe give them a gentle roll forwards and backwards just to release any tension you might be holding on to. I'd like to invite you to close your eyes, or with a soft gaze, look down towards the floor. Let's connect to your breath by softly breathing in through the nose and out through your nose or mouth, but focusing down towards the belly. And this helps relax your nervous system, triggering the parasympathetic nervous system, which tells the brain you are safe. And each out-breath is an invite to be kind to your mind and body by helping them relax. It's like the mind can be clenched like a fist at times, and with each out-breath it begins to unclench, unfold, and open up to let go. Can you become aware and feel the space around each breath? Feel your breath expanding within your body. And then expanding outside of your body into your awareness around you. Following an out-breath of your choosing all the way to the very end. There's a pause at the end of the breath where the mind becomes still, peaceful and quiet. And allow your conscious mind just to sit there for a few moments before you breathe back in. And just see, without any effort, if you can become aware of the kind, peaceful part of you that is always there, despite the distractions and stories of the mind. And with an attitude of kindness towards your body, see if you can become aware of the parts of you that are relaxing with each out-breath. Now bring to mind a wonderful, happy memory and just sit with the memory, making it colorful, making it vivid, and just sitting with the feelings that it brings up. This is a kind act of self-care for you. Now, if there's a struggle with this memory, be kind, be okay with that, and allow yourself to feel how you feel and explore once more again. If your mind wanders off, bring back the memory. Maybe you can feel an inner smile at work with what you can see. Maybe you can feel a smile on your face. How will you show up for the rest of today or tomorrow with kindness in your heart? And then when you're ready, come back to your surroundings. Something lovely you can do is just to now put your hand on your heart and say your name and I love you. And even if there's a struggle with that, be okay with that, because with practice it will get easier. Be kind with the conditioning you've received that can make things difficult. Thank you so much for listening. Please share this meditation with anyone you know could do with cultivating some kindness today. Please subscribe to help the show grow, and more importantly, so you won't miss any other episodes coming your way. And I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful day.